You guys linked and everything, and a couple weeks after that, you guys did Freedom Street. Listen, you see, your performance was one that made me laugh, 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 laugh. You nearly made the man choke when you said something about Movado.
But Muscle Gear joke, that was not even planned.
That wasn't. That's what I was gonna ask. It wasn't planned.
No, it never planned because me go up on the stage kind of pissed because remember me miss my set. I miss my slot, like miss my performance because when we did the round at the back, I wait everybody and then bodyguard. I was assigned to a bodyguard. Everybody assigned to a bodyguard. So like everybody left. Them never tell me say them did I leave. Right, like I don't know, them pull off a style and left. So I was there thinking, probably everybody gonna do something and them soon come back. Cause nobody said to me, say I read my bodyguard. Say, say are they ready for now? So tell Sheba say she's supposed to forward. When me hurry up for leave, when me hear my name a call on the stage, I'm like, why? What? So nobody not read my security and say, yo, whatever, ready so we can prepare and whatever, everybody just sneaky gone. So what kind of move this? Like, me just left out there. So me say, anyway, we did that fight, I got through with the police, them and everything. Come I say, listen, the man, I call me name on the stage and I literally hear because my slot was playing right there where me if you forward, and then it take a little minute, like about 20 minutes afterward to get through the whole security, whole everything for reach. And then when we reach on stage, it's like they're saying, you don't pass, so that's just it. I mean, I say, what Father God, what this? Me up on the stage, like literally under the stage, New Year come catch me right there, them celebrate like I was standing up right on the stage. And I say, look there, me supposed to perform in a 2024. I'm standing up myself for a whole year. I'm again for profile. 2024 go with my little piece. Father God, this unfair bad. Like 1 year, but then I suck a New Year, me reaching up. Woo, that was my son. Nice clean son. Stay as a first born. Yeah.
That's like funny, guy. So then how do you end up getting on the stage then?
I want to say, somebody pinch Addy and tell him, say Sheba, So when him come across, when them done sing the whole Happy New Year and the excitement and something, and him come and say, Sheba, what you do so? And I said, the police then hold me up. And him said, all right, give me a little minute. And him think him go talk and tell him, say, yo, re-putting back my something and whatever. And it works out so me say, God is so good. So all of the other performances, them we're gone at 24. Me start off 25. And the thing is, I write after Ima Spice too. So me, I think to myself, say, shoot. Right now, remember, say Ima Spice are the biggest thing up there right now. When me can do, because you understand, me not, when me can do, right there so.
Yeah.
Because him and Spice gone, him and everybody else gone, and me and him now. And Spice will be like the bigger act. So when me, I can do for tap the bigger act. Look at me. Right? And it's so said that God said 2025 you would if you come in and you never if you then at 2024. And we did that segment and then because him and Spice said already performed now, so I drop in the part where say, you him and Spice thing a friend something and your auntie a liar. So it just work out all it work out. That's why I tell us prayer is my new weapon. Prayer is my new weapon, exactly. And when we come at the part then now I say, I one out of them two man I'm gonna say is either me I go choose the gully god or the young lad. But I one out of the two I go say. I say you know say me I go choose the gully god because of them have the longest reign. The longest reign of beef in a dancehall and the gully god was more from theme era. So I say alright then. That's what the young lad and choose the gully god. And I may say it, and it just worked.
You could see that he did not. You could see there was no way he knew you were going to say this because he couldn't even finish his lyrics. It was like, what did you say?
Because we never rehearsed that. Remember, we have rehearsals and everything. That wasn't a part of nothing. So him never did expect. Him never did think. Him just did that thing we got according to all the rehearsal, go with the pan tracker or whatever. I mean, just said, no, I mean, if you come with that element of surprise, big 2025 just roll in and everybody gone and Spice had the biggest thing as female, right? Not, okay, other big acts came on, but Spice was the biggest act for him as female. When me that could do, when me could have do?
Yeah.
And me pray right, they say, in a 2024, when a 2025, I say, me look a prayer, when the new year drop in, say, me look a mantra and everything. So God did got me, man. God did
Right
got
there.
me.
That was, and your whole attitude, because I was even telling Enhance, your voice alone makes me laugh. Your voice is so fun. Your attitude, your voice, everything about you.
You tell me that for real. You're not cap.
It's
Him tell me
just
that
so
for sure.
funny, guy. Just so funny, crazy there. Everybody's doing their thing. You made him almost die. And say, did you end up seeing Popcorn that night there?
Yeah, man. Yeah, because as I told you, so we did the run at the waiting area. But Popcorn did that one other section. But I think, did I see Popcorn tonight? Let me see him, but we never interact.
Okay, so you guys didn't really get to link and say, yo,
No,
what's
because
good?
them the one section, everybody have them own different section. So Papi was at his section, me, they are my section, everybody else, they are them little section. So even though me see Papi, the ladies them was one section with themselves. So me interact with the ladies them and stuff. But like Papi and the other male artists, they are one whole different part. So me never get to interact with them. Me see them on the stage like everybody else.
Yeah.
Yeah, even though we know them they're on the VIP era, nobody never get to really say hi or hello to nobody.
Plus, there's a lot going on. It's New Year's Eve, Freedom Street. There's so much going
The
on.
biggest event for the whole 2024.
Crazy.
in
And you got to
Jamaica.
start off your year there.
Yes, me thank God. So me know me 2025, did I God bless.
Definitely. We see right now Cartel globally right now. He's like a phenomenon right now. Globally. He's probably in France right now performing as we're recording right now. How come we haven't seen you on any other show outside of Freedom Street with Cartel?
I'll be honest with you, Because me telling about my mouth. You have to ask him. You have to ask him. Because the last time I talked to him was when I was here. Before me go on back and, me show him say, kind of married now and whatever. So I don't know if because I tell him, so that's the direction me are going on. I'm not sure if that or what happened or because me tell him, so I'm not really interested in the music no more like that or whatever. So me can't tell you what. So anytime you catch him and you hold him, ask him. People me doesn't know neither. Me doesn't know. Me I ask myself the same question, but whatever it is, I only him want know, because me never have it as me and him have no problem or we have no beef or nothing. But I just tell him to listen. Me married now and I don't know if he want me just focus on that part of life there. I'm not sure. I can't speak for him. I cannot speak for him. I just can't tell you from my perspective what I'm thinking.
Okay.
So I'm not sure.
Because you said you did your big thing. I've seen you on the show. Your part was a highlight. Everybody that talked about Freedom Street, Sprice, Sheba, Jamal, there was a couple of them that were highlights. So I figured, like, okay, you guys will probably pop up. I know sometimes it's a visa thing where, okay, you can't go States, so you might not be. But again, it was just a question. I'm pretty sure other people have that question in their mind. How come we didn't see Sheba again?
Yeah, people ask me it all the time. And me I tell them the truth. And me not gonna lie. Me I ask myself the same thing too, cause me just not know like Uno either. I'm not sure what the problem is. As me say, you'd have to ask him or he would have to talk for himself why that was. But from my side, me no know either. Just me I guess I spell like everybody else. Me really no know. Like seriously don't know.
Because you told him you're not 100% interested in music, but is that how you feel sitting here right now, that you're still not interested, or you got back a spark since being on the stage again? How do you feel about music?
No, interested in music meaning recording, but not like go to the shows and stuff. Yeah, and remember shows are money, And when me tell you about me and the money too. So, me interested in the shows. Very much interested in the shows, just not to go back in the booth and go to the whole, all of that. I haven't been interested because I lose interest in music a couple of years ago because of the whole politics of music and prejudice and colorism and all of that. And when it come on to the female aspect and the unfair treatment we get, that's why. But at present now, you have a couple producers stress me, like them want me come back in the boot bad. And then as I see how me and my son rap, I talk to him about it and I ask him how I feel about it, and him say like, that would have been that good for him. Like him not have a problem. And me always had the problem for me. Me when me I think him would have be the problem. Like not be the problem. I think him would have a problem. When me on get realize say, me was the problem for me.
You're your own worst enemy sometimes.
Yeah, because me I say, probably if I come back in the music, my son I go feel away because his mother, this and the little boy them I go on over me. Come in look tree bad same way. You don't know what I'm saying. So me did always think for him or think of what him would have see or how him would have feel. And when him look at me I say, mommy, me not have a problem. Look pan all the old man, them Debbie Burp and them people and them big man. Him not say old man. Them big man they were time toward you say enough. Him say, mommy, you talk about you can't do this, man.
Yeah.
You can't do it. So he kinda give me a little boost to say, okay then. I think I might go back in the studio. Just a double panic. It's not a sure thing.
Click here to watch a full episode and don't forget to subscribe.